were in Minecraft Java Edition. This actually requested a video like my last post. Actually, shout out to Ghost Ship. Yeah, his name is Ghost Ship. Actually, shout out to him. He's requested to play hardcore Minecraft. My hardcore Minecraft's not that hard, right? Right? Am I right? 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 Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, just I don't know. By the way, make sure to follow and share this to your homie and hot this video and comment your suggestion if you want episode 2 or play another server. Whoever have the most like comment, I will do it. So see you there. Go. Yo, we're here. Oh shit, I'm so glad. We're here at Minecraft again. I mean not again. This is most week, not most though. This is the week. What that means again? This is like a requested video for it. Uh, it's especially Glow Ship though. Glow Ship, yeah. I think his name is Glow Ship. Shout out to him though. Shout out to him. He's the first one who requested this video. Yeah, so let's start this gameplay though. Oh fuck, what the fuck is that? Oh, I've never played Minecraft like very long time. Never played Minecraft very long time. Oh my god, okay. I'm so lag. So I never, yeah, I'm stuttering so much. It's been so long. I've been playing this game for like 2 years, I think. Like 2 years. What the fuck is like 2 years? We're back again, boys. We're back. Okay, it's just what's my inventory? Oh, there it is. What the fuck? There's so many Alex in my. Okay, I'm lagging. Okay, I'm lagging, aren't I? There's so many Alex in my. Oh my god. Okay. Put in there. Don't spam that. Oh, there, there, there. Okay, place it. So I've been informed that there's a new weapon. I think it's spear. Wait, let me grab it. I think it's like this. See, spear. Wait. It's actually gonna fire. Yo, it's actually fire, bro. It's actually fire. Wait, wait. Why it's not? I cannot attack him. I'm lagging, aren't I? Oh my god, I'm lagging. Wait, how this thing work, though? Oh, I hit him, bro. I hit. Oh, I'm confused, bro. I'm confused. Oh, I think this is like when you run up like that. Yeah, yeah. Okay, not working. Get the fuck out of here. Gonna use the normal way. By the way, sorry for the lag. Sorry for the lag, gang. I'm lag as shit. Okay, oh shit. I don't know what's happening right now. Let's mine some stone. There, there. Let's get some stone. Fuck. There. Okay. Time to make some stick again. You know, I've been a fast crafter, you know? I'm a fast crafter. I'm a fast crafter. Oh my god. There. Like that. Let's throw this spear in here, bro. That's useless, bro. That's spear useless. You don't know how to use them. There. Oh fuck. Okay. There. Wait. There. And I'm gonna throw this thing. Forgot the button, man. Move. Let me have you, man. Yeah. Thanks. So many cow. So many cow. Come here, cows. Come here. Yeah. Oh no, I'm lagging. I'm lagging. Oh shit, I'm lagging. There. Sorry for the low render distance though, because I'm playing in suck phone, you know. My phone suck. How to? Oh, okay, there. Yeah. Oh my phone. Let's make some boat. Yup. Yup. There. The fuck there. Okay. A boat. A boat. A boat. Oh my god. My phone. Okay, I'm falling. My phone. Let's just find something. Oh, island. Let's get the fuck out of here. Boat! There. I'm out of here. I'm out of here. But let's find a cave though. Let's find a cave. The fuck? Oh my phone! Don't worry guys, I will customize this after this first episode though. That was a bad hit. Okay. My phone! Okay, that's not a bad hit. Wait, it did not die? There. It did not crit. Wait, my anger is full. What the fuck? Confused. Oof! I did not notice this. Wait, let me just gather some there. And wait, okay, wait, now we can see shit. Okay, there's basically nothing in here. Let's just make food, bro. Let's just make food. Yeah, and wood. Let's go here, let's cut some wood. By the way guys, you should follow me so you can see more, more Minecraft contents though. More Minecraft contents. And by the way, suggest anything. That will do it. But you cannot put oak in the coal. Let me just go in here. Give me that. It's already cooked. Already okay. Yeah. Let's mine this. Let's mine this. And we're out of here. We're finding iron next. Who? What the f? You scared the shit out of me, bruh. Bro, chill out. trying any fight though. But that guy need to chill. People. What the fuck is this character? What the fuck is happening? What the fuck? Okay. And let's eat. Yum 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 yum. Man, wait, guys. There, we need to turn that off, bruh. Because I'm scared of ambient and environment voice. Because every time I heard the ambient in cave, bro, I will leave, man. Shit is case. That shit is actually okay. Come here, boy. My instinct is just too far good. Come here. Okay, you're dumb. You're dumb. Oh yeah, you're dumb as shit. You're dumb as shit. You're dumb as shit. Okay. You're not dumb anyway. Come here. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Come here. Yeah, yeah. Stupid. Yeah, stupid. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Wait, that's a fire sunset. Fire sunset, bro. Goddamn. Let's go. Cave time. Cave time. Shit's this. Oh. Wait. We need coal. We need coal. Wait, guys. Wait. We need coal though. So we're gonna. Oh, there. Okay. Put in here. Wait. Gonna. I'm smart shit. I'm smart shit. Bro, do you think my voice is like deep? Let me know in the comment though. I wanna know. I wanna know. Oh fuck. Fuck. I'm just gonna put them much better. Much better. You can go deeper if you guys want to. But it's my decision anyway. Let's go. Let's get deeper. Like put this thing in here, and then uh, this gonna put this thing. And got iron. Let's go. You can see it there. Iron. Let's go. Let's breathe first. Let's breathe. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa. Ooh. Wait. Ooh. Wait. Look at this. It's kind of fire in here. Ooh. Wait. There's zombie. Let's turn on the sun. There. Let's turn the caption on. Bro, what the fuck? Then we're gonna put the furnace and cook. Just need to craft an iron though. So guys, this is the end of the video right now, and I need to fucking sleep, you know. Yeah, I was just gonna edit this like tomorrow or something like that. So I need to go now, you know. Let me just leave. Okay, this is like the memorial, not memorial. No. Wait, like yeah. I need to go now. Bye guys. Thanks for watching. Comment if you want episode 2. If you want something. Okay guys, thank you. Bye bye. See you tomorrow. See you in the next episode. Ah, thank you. Ah, what the